Hello everybody, and it's time for another little commute. So my last video was about the saga that has been my SENA 10C Pro, and someone commented on it. I think it was it Casper's Capers or something like that. Thank you for the comment. It's always fun to get a comment when you're just a fully amateur, I guess YouTuber is the word here. You know, just uploading your nonsense that you're doing and with no real intent of doing anything with it. You asked me if SENA said what was wrong with the device I sent in. And they did actually not. They just sent me a brand new one, and that's it. You know, props to SENA. They've actually been very good as far as customer service goes. It's been pretty smooth, easy, flawless experience. So props to them there. But no, they did not tell me what they thought was wrong with it, other than they just said it was defective. Of course, that begs the question, why am I having similar issues again? The only thing I can think of is maybe the SD card I'm using isn't quite up to scratch. It's a Samsung, but you know, that doesn't necessarily mean it's perfect. So that's really all I have to say to that, Mr. Capers. I haven't heard anyone else have any of these issues. I googled a bunch of things, and some people have had similar things, but I haven't seen any videos or anything like it. So hopefully this will be the last of it. Repositioning my mic helped a lot. Hopefully it'll keep working where it is. As far as the issue with the videos showing up as basically corrupted, unreadable files, that I don't know what could be. Again, it could be the SD card. I will try to get a different SD card and use that instead. And that's about all I can do to change that, right? So, yeah, I hope that helps answer your question. And, you know, I wish you all the best out there and enjoy your SENA. It is a good product, it's a good idea. But, you know, if it's not working, it's not working. And that's how it is. So, yeah, happy riding. Enjoy yourself. So I don't know if I should end my video on that note. You know, from here on in it's just more lane splitting, which admittedly is my favorite part of going to work. And one of the main reasons to ride your motorcycle to work, well, other than the fact that just riding motorcycles is awesome. I guess we'll say goodbye once we get down here and I get my hands free. But yeah, if anyone has any further questions about the SENA 10C Pro, by all means ask them. You had to do that, didn't you? Los Angeles traffic. Alright guys, thank you for watching, all three of you. Get the thumbs up. I'm out of here. Bye.